So hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So today my topic is related to be how to create a new folder on desktop, PC, laptop. So firstly we will create a new folder, so let's go. Firstly we click the right click and go to the new and click the folder. So this folder is appear in here. So firstly we put beautiful name, so I will create a name as school file and go to enter. So this folder is appear in here and this folder is completed, but this folder is empty, so I will here and this folder is empty, so I can downloads and copy these images, copy and this folder and go to this folder school file and control V. This is a paste these images, so the image will be appear in here. So close this desktop and open this file, so we will see this image appear in here. So I hope you understand how to create a folder on laptop, PC. So I will you understand, and thank you.